Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. We're doing another video on a new item. It's called the Off-Road Set, Autoworld Off-Road. And this is a Baja with Beetles and everything. VW Beetles, like an off-road. You got a burned out bridge. And you're getting two Baja buggies. This is a really cool set. Okay, this is a lot of fun. And you can combine all of the sets together. Okay, and this takes you about 10 minutes to set up. It doesn't take you long. It's very easy construction. You know, it just snaps together like this. Here, bring it over here. You got me? It just snaps just very easily together. It doesn't take a long time to put together, okay? Now, your Baja buggies in the set come in these nice little plastic cases. It's both of them, okay? And they're really pretty Baja buggies, VW Beetles. And they're X-Traction, okay, with the magnet, the nice magnet on it, gives a good traction on the car. But what's fun about this set is you got this, it's like a jump bridge, okay? It's like a burned out or a washed out bridge. And so the car is going to jump, it's going to go boom, right over here. Now, if you don't have enough speed, then it's not going to do that. So let's see if we can do it. Let's go around once. Now, he's going to have to, you might want to put the camera right here, because I'll go around really fast because you're going to miss it. Oh, look at that. You see that? Did you catch that, cameraman? Yeah, all right. Okay, let's do it again. Oh, cool. Now, what's cool about it is you got a double car. Okay, you get two cars, 14 feet of track. Oh, that guy didn't make it. You know what this is? This is just a lot of fun. You know, I always go back to what is a lot of fun. You know, nowadays they have all this high-tech toys and everything. This is just old-fashioned fun. The dad and the son can just have fun at Christmas, play this, or even any time of the year. You can just set this thing up and just have a blast with your Baja buggies. Oh, boy, look at that crash. That's cool. Okay, and you know what about Autoworld? I'm going to tell you right now about Autoworld. Oh, that guy just can't get over that. Autoworld makes a great product, okay, for the money. You get 14 feet of track. You get all your barriers, everything you need. You get two Baja buggies, VW Baja buggies. Oh, man, that guy just can't get over that bridge. You know, maybe I'm not going fast enough. Let's go full throttle here. There we go. Oh, that guy wiped out. See, that's what's so fun about these. And you can use every kind of car on this track, okay? You don't need to use the Bajas to jump over that. Any car will jump over it, okay? And you get two cars. So here are the two cars. If you want to kind of zoom in, they kind of look like, you know, they're all rusty up and everything, like they've been in the mud and everything. You get this jump track. This is a really cool jump track. And you get an intersection track so that, you know, when you might be crisscrossing, you might smack into somebody. That's really cool too. So you get the whole set. This is available at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Have a great day. Thanks.